Hello, my friend, and welcome to my channel. Happy birthday, Lou, from Loopy Frog Nails on Instagram. This was hosted by Tinkerbell 1970s and Nail Clips. I've started off with Nailtix Formula 2, and this is Bases Loaded Lacquer, Booze and Bats. I know you think it's Halloween, but it ends up working great for this manicure. So I'm going in with my first coat. And it's stunning. It's leveling out. It's just beautiful. Nice and creamy. Hi, Woody. How you doing? There we go. We are going to do a second coat of Booze and Bats. And if I forget to mention it later, there are going to be loads of ladies participating in this collab over on Instagram. There'll be some links down in the description box. I am going to top this with that IMK out the door. IMK? No. INM. Girl's losing her mind. INM out the door from Sally's. And there's a swatch photo on its own. I'll be using a Ejubis and Don Diva Stampin' Plate. And I've got out On the Black from Bases Loaded Lacquer. I am going to use my monocle stamper and my beauty scraper today. I'm going to pick up one of these cute little cupcakes, and I'm going to pinch those corners together so I can shrink the image because my nails are little. I'm going to clean that Stampin' Plate off with some acetone real quick and put it to the side. And I'm going to use this tape to pull up any of the design I don't need. So I am going to top that design on the stamper with some of the smudge-free top coat from Maniology. I don't want to smear this one when I go to paint it up. And this is a Bases Loaded Lacquer Heat-Seeking Stretch Pants. And I'll also be using Shutout. I've got my What's Up Nails detail brush out today. And I've just plopped out some of those polishes on my mat. And I'm going to fill this design in. Now, the design was supposed to be, I was going for the kawaii look. I'm not super familiar. And I thought I had a Stampin' Plate that was really dedicated to that theme, but I couldn't find it. So I found this cute one, and I thought that would be perfect. So I've painted the cupcake base pink, and I'm doing the muffin top part, or the icing, in white. I'm being very careful not to blend my colors here. And I decided to just do an accent nail. I know that's not normal for me, but yeah, you guys, I didn't want to have these cupcakes all over my fingers, and it was the only image that I really wanted to use. So I'm going to pick this up carefully and see if it's covered good. That's looking pretty good. Once that's totally dry down on the pink part, I'm going in with the white over it just to make that pink pop better, because I'm using that dark orange or that bright orange underneath everything, and I want to make sure that the pink stays pink. And here we go for application. I'm going to line this up and just slowly make contact and push down. I am going to use my finger to kind of press everything down to make sure it's sticking to the nail good. And now I'm going to go in with my acetone and my cleanup brush and melt the excess that's hanging off and do any cleanup that I need to do. I'm going to tap across the end to make sure I got that, because that would poke me. I would go to rub my eye and poke my eye out with whatever was hanging off. So I like to make sure that's really smooth. There we go. Got it going on. Make sure, turn it around, flip it over. And I think that looks pretty good. I'm going to top that with the smudge-free top coat from Maniology as I normally do. And then once that's dry, we'll be using Posh to seal that little decal in. into my manicure. So please go check out the other ladies on Instagram that participated. I'll have the hashtag down at the bottom and all the other Instagram links for the ladies. There we go. Here's my swatch photo. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.